In this video, we'll see what are vinculum numbers. Now, vinculum is a horizontal bar that we put on any number to indicate that it is a negative number. Now, in Vedic maths, we many times come across numbers where the digits are greater than 5. In this case, the calculations might become complex in some cases. So, we convert such numbers to vinculum numbers so that we simplify the calculations by getting numbers within the range 0 to 5. So, any number which is having a negative digit within it is termed as a vinculum number. So, now we will see how to convert a normal number to a vinculum number and a vinculum number to normal number. So, let's take first example, that is 4872. Now, in this number we have two digits which are greater than 5. So, we want to convert this to a vinculum number. Now, the first step in converting is you find the digit which is greater than 5. Okay, and take tens complement of that digit and place a bar over it. Now, the first digit we go from right to left. Okay, so first digit is 2, so it is already less than 5, so we take it as it is. Now, the first digit which is greater than 5 is 7. So, what we do is we take tens complement of 7, so that is 10 minus 7, 3, and we place a bar over it. Okay. Now, second step is check the next digit, and if it is still greater than 5, then we take 9's complement if the immediate digit is less than 5, and again place a bar over it. Now, next digit is 8, so it is greater than 5, so again we take 9's complement this time. 9 minus 8 is 1, and place a bar over it. Okay. Now, next step is we continue this particular step till we have digits greater than 5. Okay. Now, once we come to a number which is less than 5, then what we do is we increment the number by 1. So, now next digit is what? Less than 5. It is 4. So, we increment it by 1. So, 4 plus 1 is 5. So, this is your vinculum number related to 4872. Now, we will take one more example. Now, similar example we will take, but we will have this time 3 in between. So, now let's check the steps. Now, the first number is already less than 5, so we take it as it is. Okay. Next number is 7, so it is greater than 5. We take tens complement, that is 3, and place a bar over it. Okay. Now, next digit is 3, which is less than 5. So, we will skip this step because it's not greater than 5 and will come here. So, third step is what? Increment the number by 1. So, now what we'll do? Increment this 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So, now we have 4 over here. Then go to the next digit 8, which is greater than 5. So, again we take tens complement. Now, here 10 minus 8 is 2, and we place a bar over it. Then check next digit, but this next digit is not greater than 5, it is already less than 5. Okay. So, what we do is we go to next step, we increment the number by 1. So, 4 plus 1, 5. So, this is your vinculum number for respective 48372. Now, let's see how to convert the vinculum numbers to normal number. Now, let's take an example of 5432 bar. Now, this is a vinculum number because one of the digit in this number is having a bar over it. So, now I want to convert this to a normal number. Now, there are two methods while converting vinculum numbers to normal number. First method is taking the place value of that number. Now, what do you mean by that? We'll expand this number like this. the place value of 5 is say 5000. Then we have 4, that is 400, plus we have 3, that is 30, and here this is having a bar over it, so we take minus 2. So in this case we get the answer as 5428. So this is the normal number for this particular Vinculum number. Now let's take an example where the bar is on the second digit from right. So this will be 5000 plus 400 minus, now this time the bar is here, so we will have minus 30 plus 2. So the answer will be 5372. Okay, now one more we'll see. Here we have 5000. Now bar is over 4, so we write minus 400 plus 30 plus 2. So this time it is 4632. So this is how we convert Vinculum number to normal number using the place value method. Now similar thing we'll see using the second, that is complement method. Now the first step in converting this to normal number is take tens complement of the bar digit. Now wherever the bar is there, you find it and take tens complement. So here what we do is take tens complement of this. 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay. Now go to the next digit. Now if the next digit is again having a bar, then we take nines complement. Okay. Now here what we do is we take tens complement and place a bar. Second is if next digit is having again a bar over it, sorry, we don't place a bar, we remove the bar actually. So next is if the next element is also having a bar, then we take nines complement. But in this case the next digit is not having a bar. So what we do is the third step, we just skip this step, and the third step we take where we decrement by 1. Now when we converted normal number to Vinculum, we had incremented by 1. Now here what we do is we decrement by 1. So this is not having a bar, so we take 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay. Now the next number is 4, so we take it as it is, and 5 also we take as it is. So this is the Vinculum number is converted to normal number. Okay, one more example we will take. 5, 4, 3 bar and 2. Okay. Now here what we get is, again here the number is normal number, so we take it as it is. Then here this is Vinculum number, so we take tens complement. So tens complement is 7, and the next number is not a bar digit, so what we do is we decrement it by 1. So we get 3 over here and we have 5. Okay. So this is how you convert normal numbers to Vinculum and Vinculum numbers to normal number.